And liftoff. It happened just over 1 minute into flight.
1 minute 15 seconds. Velocity 2,900 feet per
Uy, friend!
Uy, hello.
Hello! Alam mo, naisip ko lang, di ba yung mga students ngayon, part sila ng big project. Eh, di ba, nag-require yun ng mga physics studies, tsaka experiments. Tingin nyo, magkano gagastos natin?
Kung tatapatin kita ha, if ang iniisip mo yung mga rocket launching, kung saan pwede ang bawat student na makapag-launch ng kanilang self-made rockets, siguro you need to take consideration sa mga materials na gagamitin at sa mga weather patterns, mga materials na gagamitin sa mismong rocket launching. Sadly, as aerospace student, dito sa Batangas State University, wala pa tayong mga ganong equipments.
Pero alam nyo ba, though the National Engineering University ay still in the process of increasing that possibility, ay meron naman tayong program kung saan, kahit at home ka, at vacation, anywhere in the world, ay kaya makapagbigay ng virtual results based on real-world parameters. Oo, siya si Tala. A simulated virtual learning environment. Ano, tara?
Tara!
In selecting the preparation options, Tala will provide another multiple options. These options aims to store parameters that will be considered in the virtual simulation. Let's start on selecting location. Selecting location composed of Tala's ability to gather current weather. This checks the availability of an area with the most suitable condition. Once satisfied, user can really choose the location they preferred.
How about yung materials na gagamitin mo?
Sandali, what if gusto kong gumawa ng rocket na gawa sa papel?
Pwede ba yun? Hindi gumuho!
Check lang natin kung gagana. Since nasa option naman siya, and very resilient sa preference nyo, edi made out of papers na lang.
Selecting materials ensures the user's freedom to choose, regardless of its worth in the rocket-making industry. This material will be used as an actual material that will carry and hold the given parameters. And of course, loading fuels. This will determine the distance it can reach to escape the Earth's pull of gravity.
And of course, need lang natin maglagay ng fuel and loads.
Teka, gusto ko ilagay satellite with a weight of 150 kilograms!
Okay, and of course, pwede nyo makita ang summary ng all parameters na nilagay nyo.
Lastly, selecting the preferred loads with consideration to its weight. The more heavier, the more it will require power. And after setting all the preferred parameters, you can actually view the summary to ensure that all data is stored.
Since meron siya capability to gather current weather updates, of course, kaya niya rin mag-provide ng data on specific locations. Kunwari, sa Lemery.
Paano naman kung lahat ng weather ng locations na yan ay masama?
Uy, kalma ka. Huwag kayo na-overwhelm. Okay, Tala. So, what you can do?
In this option, Tala will again show the current weather that can be used to check the temperature in Celsius, humidity in percentage, air pressure in nanopascal, and percentage of cloudiness in the given locations individually. Along with this option, the term window time is important. In any case of bad weather, Tala can generate the predicted weather for the next 5 hours.
And done! Tapos na tayo.
Ha? Kung hindi pa natin i-lunch!
Ano? Tara?
Tara!
Lastly, no such simulation is better than actual testing it. This option will take into account T-20 seconds the moment you press enter. After the countdown, Tala will officially announce the result of the simulated rocket launching process. In this example condition, you can see that the process for launching the rocket is not successful because of two possible reasons: insufficient fuel or the material used is weak, which we can assume that the use of paper and cardboard is not actually a great idea to hold the given parameters.
Ground control to Major Tom.